Let's talk about more affordable housing. This is 319 Boyd. It is 180. Redone. 3-bedroom, 1-bath. Come into the living room, opens up into the kitchen. You're gonna have a refrigerator there. You could have a little table here. Dishwasher, gas stove, microwave. This goes out into the 1-car garage. And then this goes out into the backyard, great big backyard. Subway towel in the kitchen. A lot of light here. Really makes this nice. Little pantry. Coat closets. Double vanity. Sink. Shower with some good looking marble on the wall. And here you have the main bedroom. Lots of light in here. Second bedroom. And then the 3rd bedroom. Really cute. And it's affordable. This, you can get USDA 100% financing on this. In this market, we can get the seller to pay your closing costs. You can probably get in for nothing. Let's talk about it.